Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us look at this indices question. Find the value of x in each of the following equations. Okay, so the first one over here, we have 3 to the power of x times 5 equals to 405. Okay, so we need to remove this times 5 first. We bring over the other side. We divide by 5. 405 divided by 5, you'll get 81. Okay, so we know 81 is actually 3 to the power of 4. So since the base is the same, we can compare the power. So x is equals to 4. Okay, so make the base the same first, so you can compare the power. Okay, so 16. Okay, the next question, 16 times 4 to the power of x equals to 64 to the power of minus 2x. So 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of x equals to, okay, 64 is actually 4 to the power of 3. Okay, and this one we put it outside minus 2x. Okay, so this one, 3 times 2, so we have minus 6x. So again, the base is the same, so we can compare the power. Multiply, we actually add up the power. So 2 plus x equals to minus 6x. 7x equals to minus 2. Okay, the 2 you bring over the other side is negative 2. Then you bring the minus 6x over the other side. So x equals to minus 2 over 7. Okay, the method is the same. Make the base the same. Okay, so this one 5 raw x divided by 125 equals 625 to the power of 3 over 4. Okay, so we make this to the power of 5. So it's 5 to the power of 3. 625 is 5 to the power of 4. Okay, so this one, we simplify, it's actually 5 to the power of 3. So again, the base is the same. So we compare the power. This is divide. Okay, so divide, we minus the power. X minus 3 equals to 3. Okay, so x is equals to 6. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.